In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock Google Drive files with a password and what to do instead if you're looking for real protection inside Google Drive. A lot of people search for a password lock option, but Google Drive does not actually give you a direct password protect feature for files or folders. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the safest workaround you can use right now to control who can open your files, view them, download them, or copy them. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to protect. You can use this on documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, and other Drive files. Once you've located the file, right-click it and choose Share. This opens the sharing settings. Sharing settings where you can control access. Now look for the General Access section. If the file is currently set to anyone with the link, that means anyone who has the link can potentially open it depending on the permissions. To make it more secure, change General Access to Restricted. When you select Restricted, only people you specifically invite will be able to access the file. This is the closest thing to locking it down inside Google Drive. Next, add only the people who should have access. Type their email addresses into the sharing box, then choose the permission level for each person. If they only need to read the file, select Viewer. If they need to make changes, select Editor. In most cases, Viewer is the safest choice because it limits what other people can do with your file. After that, click Done to save your settings. Now, your file is no longer publicly accessible and only the specific users you added can open it. If you want an extra layer of protection, you can also disable downloading, printing, and copying. To do that, open the file again, click Share, and then click the Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. In the sharing settings, look for the options that say viewers can download, print, and copy, and turn those off. This is especially useful if you want to reduce the chance of someone saving your file or duplicating the contents. Keep in mind that this does not create a true password lock, but it does add another level of control. So if your goal is to keep a file private, the best method is to use restricted access, share it only with trusted people, and turn off download and copy options when possible. If you need a real password on a file, you may need to use a separate password-protected PDF tool or another encryption method before uploading it to Drive. But for most people, the built-in Google Drive sharing controls are enough to keep files secure. So to quickly recap, there is no direct password feature in Google Drive, but you can lock things down by changing access to restricted, inviting specific users by email, setting their permissions, and disabling download and copy. That's the safest way to protect your Drive files using the tools Google gives you. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.